How can you back up iPad on the OneDrive? So let me explain the options we have. Let's get started. And if you're new here, most definitely become part of the community so you don't miss the upcoming videos and tutorials like this one. So of course, the iPad can be backed up in various different places. When you, however, mean like the full backup where every single thing is going to be stored, like the location of the apps and the home screen layout and that kind of thing, that can only be synced with the iCloud. So you would only be able to do it in the settings profile iCloud, and there is going to be the iCloud backup, right? And if you have that enabled, then everything is going to be backed up. However, if you want to do it on the OneDrive, you can only do it for certain aspects of your iPad. When you get inside, you have two sections, photos and files. And when you go to photos, you can literally enable the camera backup. And that would mean that every single photo you have on your Photos app, like everything you captured through the camera, as well as everything in your gallery, will be automatically uploaded to this platform and backed up on the OneDrive. So that is something you can enable if you want to back up the photos and videos of your iPad. And then naturally we have the files. So this includes everything else like the documents, the PDFs, the presentations, and that kind of thing. But for the backup of files, I think it is better to just open up the Apple Files app, where in the location section, I have both the on my iPad storage as well as OneDrive, and I can simply move any of the files I have in the local storage into the OneDrive and then have them backed up this way. So you can see that inside of the Apple Files app, it's actually a little bit better because it's all in one app, as I can move files in between locations. So I hope it helps. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more upcoming tutorials and videos like this one, and I hope to see you later.